Students, today's topic Civics Unit 2 Citizen and Citizenships. Before we go into the topic, I will ask 3 questions to you. First one, the word citizens is derived from which language? Answer, Latin language. Second question, how many types of citizens? 2 types. First one, natural citizens. Second one, naturalized citizens. Third question, what is the meaning of civis? Civis, which means resident of a city-state of ancient Rome. Okay, students, now we are going to see about the citizen and citizenship main topic. Civics is the study of government. Citizen is a person of a country. What is a citizen? Citizen is a person of a country who is entitled to enjoy all legal rights and privilege duties. Citizenship is the status given to the citizens. How many types of citizens? There are 2 types of citizen. First one, natural citizens. Natural citizens are the citizens by birth. Naturalized citizens are the one who acquires citizenship. Indian Citizenship Act, this act is to provide for the acquisition and termination of the Indian citizenship. This act year 1955. This act year what? 1955. The Citizenship Act of 1955 prescribes 5 ways of acquiring citizenship. First one, birth. Second one, descent. Third one, registration. Fourth one, naturalization and incorporations. First one, by birth. The person born in India on or after 26th January 1950 but before 1st July 1987 is a citizen of India. Next, by descent. What is the meaning of descent? Descent means hereditary. Descent means hereditary. The person born outside India on or after 26 January 1950 but before 10th December 1992 is a citizen of India by descent. If his father was a citizen of India at the time of his birth. Next, by registration. A person of Indian origin who is ordinarily resident in any country or place outside undivided India. Next, naturalization. The central government may, on an application, grant a certificate of naturalization to any person. Next, by incorporation of territory. If any foreign territory becomes a part of India, the government of India specifies the person who among the people of territory shall be the citizen of India. Government of India issued the Citizenship Pondicherry Order 1962. Which year Government of India issued the Citizenship Order to Pondicherry? 1962. Next, very important, Laws of Indian Citizenship. Part 2 of the Constitution of India, Article 5 to 11, prescribes 3 ways of losing citizenship. First one, renunciation is a voluntary act. Renunciation is a voluntary act. When a person, after acquiring the citizenship of another country, gives up his or her Indian citizenship. Next, termination. Termination means takes place by operation of law. When an Indian citizen voluntarily acquires the citizenship of another country. Deprivation is a compulsory termination. Deprivation is a compulsory termination. Next, nationality and citizenship. Nationality is a status of belonging to a particular nation by origin, birth. Basically, it's an ethnic and racial concept. Nationality of a person cannot be changed, but a citizenship is granted to an individual by the government of the country. Citizenship can be changed. Next, single citizenship. Our Indian constitution provides for only single citizenship. The Indian citizenship, that is the Indian citizenship. But other states, federal states like USA and Switzerland has dual citizenship, national citizenship and the state citizenship. In India, citizenship, single citizenship. Next, rights and duties of citizens. First one, fundamental rights. Our constitution confers the following rights for the citizen of India. First one, fundamental rights, basic rights. Right to vote in the election of the Lok Sabha and the state legislature. Right to hold certain public offices. Right to become the member of parliament and the state government. According to 42 amendments of our constitution, a set of fundamental duties are prescribed for all citizens of India. Next, qualities of a good citizens. What quality? Loyalty to the constitution, obeys laws, contributes to society and the community, and performs civic duty. Quality of goodness and justice, respecting diversity. Next topic, global citizenship. Global citizenship is an idea that everyone, no matter they live, is part of a worldwide community rather than as the citizen of particular nation or a place. Global citizen is an idea that everyone, no matter, all people have rights and civic responsibilities. Next, overseas India's Day. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, PBD, sponsored by Ministry of External Affairs of Government of India. Conclusion, our Constitution of India has introduced single citizenship and provides uniform rights for the people of India. The feeling of fraternity and unity among them to build an integrated Indian nations. Our Indian Constitution provides for single citizenship. Listen, students, some important words, meanings. Listen, acquisition, meanings, act of acquiring. Next, amendment. Amendment means a minor change. Next, constitution, law determining the fundamental political principles of a government. Fraternity, next, fraternity means brotherhood. Next, resident. Resident means inhabitant. Next word, integrated. Integrated means unity. Integrate means coordinate to form a whole. Dear students, now recall the lesson, citizens and citizenship. Civics is the study of government. Citizen is a person of a country. Citizenship is the status given to the citizens. Types of citizens. First one, natural citizens. Second one, naturalized citizens. Next important topic, rights and duties of citizens. Qualities of a good citizen. India, our Indian Constitution provides for only single citizenship. Next, conclusion. Conclusion, our Constitution of India has introduced single citizenship and provides uniform for the people of India. to promote the feelings of fraternity. What is the meaning of fraternity? Brotherhood and unity among them to build an integrated Indian nation. What is the meaning of integrated? Integrated means coordinated to form a whole. Next, citizen is a person of a country who is entitled to enjoy all the legal rights. Part 2 of the Constitution of India, Articles 5 to 11, deals with the citizenship of India. Indian Citizenship Act of 1955 provides for the act of acquiring and termination of Indian citizenship. Our Indian Constitution provides for single citizenship. Okay, students, thank you.